Hello students, today we are going to learn a concept of pathology which is known as reversible injury. So let's get into the video. So what is reversible injury? The injuries which can get reversed by itself is known as reversible injuries. It can be reversed by body's own mechanisms or it can be get accelerated by the drugs given by the doctors. So we will start with today's topic. Reversible injury occurs due to the mild ischemia. What is ischemia? Ischemia is a decreased blood supply to the tissues, due to which it leads to the mild hypoxia. Hypoxia. We know that hypoxia is decreased oxygen level to the tissues. Due to mild hypoxia, anaerobic glycolysis occurs. Anaerobic glycolysis occurs in order to production of energy. But as we know that anaerobic glycolysis produces less energy than the aerobic glycolysis. So due to anaerobic glycolysis, there is decrease in lactic acid, decrease in ATP production, while there is increase in lactic acid. And we know that when there will be increase in lactic acid, the muscles will get fatigued early. So decrease in ATP will lead to decreased activity of sodium potassium ATPase pump, due to which there will be increased intracellular sodium. So we can see in the diagram that sodium generally goes out and potassium comes in with the help of sodium potassium ATPase pump. But when there is decrease in ATP, the action of the pump will decrease or stops. The action of the pump decreases so that sodium remains inside the cell and there is increase in the sodium inside the cell. As sodium increases inside the cell, water gets attracted towards the sodium and water gets inside the cell. So this is all about ATP, decreased ATP. Now due to increased lactic acid, there is decrease in pH. And due to decrease in pH, chromatin oblique nucleus condenses. This is known as pycnosis. Pycnosis is a term in which is known as nucleus condensation or chromatin condensation. These were the biochemical changes. Now we will see the morphological changes. In morphological changes, first change is electron microscopic change. In electron microscopic change, this is normal cell as we can see in the diagram, and this is the cell after getting damage. After damage occurs, the cell size increases. This is known as cell swelling. Cell swelling या सेल फूल जाता है. किसके वजह से हमें पता है, क्योंकि सोडियम अंदर रहने के वजह से पानी अंदर चला जाता है, इसके वजह से सेल स्वेल हो जाते हैं. Now there is loss of microvilli. As cells get swelled, microvilli gets disappeared and also nucleus gets condensed. And there is one last thing which occurs in reversible electron microscopic change is organelle swelling. The organelles which get swelled in these damaged cells are mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. As endoplasmic reticulum gets damaged, ribosomal deattachment occurs, which leads to the decreased protein synthesis. As the proteins decreases, now there will be loss of energy and energy production will be decreased as there is decrease in protein synthesis. Now the cells will break down the fat tissue known as triglycerides and convert it into the free fatty acids. It is known as fatty change. Now the second change is light microscopic change. Light microscopic change is change which we see under the microscope. So this includes hepatocytes. These are normal hepatocytes. After damage, the change which is known as hydropic change. Hydropic change occurs, and in hydropic change, cytoplasm appears pale oblique white, and this gives appearance of cloud. Therefore, it is also called as cloudy swellings. This was all about the reversible injuries. Hope you all understand what I teached, and please subscribe to my channel. In next video, we will see about irreversible injuries. Thank you.